This is what I'm saying. Satellite imagery from 1984, literally George Orwell's 1984, to, you know, 2018. What burning of the Amazon rainforest, bro? Oh, that poor rainforest. Oh, that poor rainforest. Yeah, and my first thought, that poor Amazon rainforest. Where did half of us go? This is where this person was like, right there. This is how we thought Earth looked out as throughout time when we didn't have satellites. This is how it looks. Um, there are things, I guess, like big clouds. I guess it's that dimensionality of the clouds, or I don't know. We understand weather now, so I'm sure we'll figure it out.